How to earn 6 to 7 figures per year with an agency. Agency. The fastest way to make $100,000 plus per month with your agency is to focus on strategies for scaling a digital marketing agency to achieve substantial monthly revenue. Key points include: niche selection. Choose a specific market niche to target your services, which helps in standing out and becoming an expert. Service offering. Provide high-value services catering to your niche's needs. Lead generation. Use effective lead gen tactics, such as content marketing, email campaigns, and partnerships. Sales process. Create a great sales process to convert leads into clients. Team building. Use skilled professionals to handle increased client demand. Service offering optimization. Focus on high-demand services like marketing or sales. Client acquisition. Use cold outreach, referrals, and networking to attract high-value clients. Scaling operations. Use systems and automate processes, hire the best, and use efficient tools. Value proposition. Tell the unique benefits and results your agency can deliver. Retention strategies. Provide consistent results and excellent communication. High-ticket services. Offer premium services that command higher prices, increasing revenue per client. Client acquisition. Use effective strategies for acquiring high-value clients, such as targeted outreach and leveraging referrals. Here's a detailed general step-by-step. Choose a niche. Specialize in a specific industry or type of business to stand out and become an expert in that area. This helps in crafting tailored solutions that directly address the unique challenges of that niche. 2 is skill development. Master essential digital marketing skills, such as Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, content marketing, and email marketing. These skills are crucial for delivering results to clients. 3 is client acquisition. Utilize various strategies to attract clients. Methods include cold outreach via email and LinkedIn, attending networking events, leveraging social proof and testimonials, and creating valuable content to attract inbound leads. 4 is service delivery. Focus on providing high-quality service to retain clients and foster long-term relationships. This includes setting clear expectations, maintaining regular communication, and consistently delivering measurable results. 5 is systems and processes. Implement efficient systems and processes to manage your workload and scale your business. This includes using project management tools, automating routine tasks, and developing standard operating procedures. 6 is team building. As your agency grows, hire skilled professionals to handle various aspects of your business. Building a competent team allows you to focus on strategic growth rather than day-to-day operations. 7 is scaling the business. To scale your SMMA, increase your client base while maintaining service quality. This involves refining your sales processes, optimizing your service delivery, and continuously learning and adapting to new marketing trends and technologies. 8 is financial management. Keep a close eye on your financials, including budgeting, forecasting, and managing cash flow. This ensures that your business remains profitable as it scales. Consider reinvesting profits into the business for marketing, hiring, and technology to support further growth. Here's a model case study. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.